Hello everyone, today let's learn how to create rolling notifications. Rolling notifications refer to a type of notification system where notifications are displayed in a continuous, rolling manner. By continuously scrolling the notifications, users can quickly glance at the updates without interrupting their current tasks or activities. This allows for a seamless user experience, as users can stay informed without being overwhelmed by a constant stream of pop-up notifications. Next, let's set up the widgets. Drag in a rectangle to create a title bar. Change its style. Drag in a diamond icon and a heading, and change the text to bonus. Drag in another rectangle and adjust its style. Change the text to the text we have already created on the right. Then duplicate more rectangles, filling them with text as announcements. Create these rectangles as dynamic panels. Enter the dynamic panel, group the items, and name it A. Then duplicate A, and name it B for circular scrolling. Change the height of the dynamic panel to the height of A. Next, let's set up the interactions. Select the dynamic panel. Add loaded interaction. Move a by -40 and add 200 milliseconds of animation. Move B by -40 and add 200 milliseconds of animation. Wait for 1000 milliseconds. Drag and drop it to the top. Then fire event this loaded. Next, select A to add the moved interaction. Add a condition. If this y is equal to minus this height. Move it to the bottom of B. Copy and paste interaction to B. If this y is equal to minus this height. Move it to the bottom of A. Preview the prototype. You can see the notifications constantly scrolling in a loop. If you like my video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel.